Hello there, this is Micah, and this is a weekly Forex market update or forecast. And we're going to be looking at USDCAD, AUDUSD, Euro AUD, EURCHF in this video. Now, before we get started, let's take a look at the product that I offer, the Premium Forex Signal Service. This signal service will take your trading to the highest level. It goes for $200 monthly, and I only put on this service, or in this I only post trades that are high probability trades. That's all I do. I only post trades that are high probability trades that I take myself. Now, if you want to be part of this, my direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up. And let me know you are ready to be part of what we do. So, let's go into the business of the day. Let's go into the business of the day. USDCAD. Now let's get started with USDCAD. Now for USDCAD, what I would predict is that if price comes into this zone, if price comes into the 1.37908 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would expect some sell-off. Right, I expect some sells to come in rather. If price gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I expect some sells to come in. We can look for 1-to-1 right there. And since it's even a range, so it could be a huge potential sale right there. Whichever the case may be. If it sells off, it might sell off even beyond the 1-to-1. So look out for a potential sell opportunity. But if we see price come this low without coming to that zone, but price comes into the 1.35866 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would look for opportunities to buy the market. And I might even be looking forward to buy as high as the 1.36559 zone. Right, that's what I'll be looking out for the USDCAD. Even if price comes this low as well, if price comes as low as the 1.35606 zone and gives us a bullish day close above, then we should also have the same expectation for a buy. Then let's move on to AUD USD. So for AUD USD, let's take a look at the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame very bearish. Weekly same thing, very bearish as well. And I think I last predicted that there's a possibility it might break below this penchant, this weekly penchant. But hey, we still have our fingers crossed watching. Now what would I be looking out for the AUD USD? This is it. If price comes into the zone, the 0.64665 zone, which has played a major role in the market in previous times, and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll look for opportunities to buy. Now since it's a bearish market, I might not be looking for too much in the bullish move. Maybe a 1-to-1 thereabouts would be okay for me. But if it pushes higher, would I be looking out for anything here? Well, if it pushes lower, does not come into the zone but comes lower, then from that point pushes higher into a zone like the 0.66817 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll look for opportunities to sell. And since this is a bearish market, then it might be a big sell, a really big sell. Right, the same idea if price comes into the 0.6 8405 zone, the same idea. If it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then we should, look for opportunities to sell as well. You can see what's happened right here, what price did over here. Yeah, so there's a possibility for such a move again if price comes into that zone. That is for AUD USD. Let's go straight to AUD and Euro AUD now. So for Euro AUD, well, I'll be looking out for, the same idea, same approach to every market. If price already come into that zone, price has already come into the 1.64093 zone. Now, if we get a bearish day close below this zone, then I'll look for an opportunity to sell this pair, maybe a 1-to-1 or even more than that. I look for opportunity to sell that Euro AUD currency pair. But if it pushes higher, it comes into either of the 1.65546 zone or the 1.65853 zone, and gives us a bearish day close below any of those zones, then I would also look for opportunities to sell. But if we get an opportunity where the market pushes lower, comes lower, and breaks, comes into the 1.62483 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll look for opportunities to buy the market, right? The same idea if price comes into this. If price also comes into the 1.61884 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I will also look for an opportunity to buy the market. Right, in both cases, sell or buy, make sure you don't overstay your welcome, and you have some caution. We'll possibly go for 1-to-1 in each cases, or in any of the cases rather, go for a 1-to-1 so you don't overstay your welcome. Now to EURCHF. For EURCHF, I remember calling your attention to the fact that this is a very bearish market, and if you're looking for bullish moves, you have to be extra careful. Now, and we can see that the market has really dropped off and has come into this major zone, this 0.96736 zone, and now what I'll be looking out for is a bullish move around the zone. If the market can give us a bullish day close above that zone, then I will look for an opportunity to buy. But the buy would definitely not be something major. Maybe just like I predicted already, you can see this. Let me show you. You can see these lines already that I drew on the charts. I already drew these lines on the charts right here. These lines I already have them on the charts. Just to, anticipate that if price comes into that zone, gives us a bullish day close above that zone, and look for an opportunity to buy. We had this bullish day close, but it was a failed one. So if we get something more significant or something, similar again, then we can look for opportunities to buy this EURCHF market. And aside that, I don't think there's anything major to look out for on EURCHF right now. So to take you back to the product, the Premium Forex Signal Service is here to take your trading to the highest level. Only profitable trades are given on this, in this service, and only trades that I take myself do I post on this channel. A lot of, I believe a lot of signal providers out there don't take the trades that they give, looking at the quality of signals that they give, it just appears as though many of them just want to give signals, so that's the way they do theirs. But over here, I give high probability trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level profitably. and you would, see that it's $200 monthly, and the value we offer is so much more than the amount I charge for it. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, chat me up, and let me know you're interested, and let's talk about it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.